Wizi Kurdistan. Assalamualaikum guys, how are you everybody? Good, alhamdulillah good. Thank you so much, keep watching my video. And this I want your reaction to Dere Aram, yeah, this song from Coleman again. I like, yeah. So many people give me song from Kurdish. I'm very excited, yeah. Okay, don't forget you give me again song from Kurdish. I love Kurdish. So check it out, this song.
How bad do you want it?
Wow. So long hair. So beautiful, yeah. This new singer, yeah, new singer from Kurdish, because I just know this girl. So beautiful, yeah, Dere. Inshallah. Oh. So cool. Good pictures. Lukisannya bagus. Wow. Wow, Dere Aram so beautiful and have long hair like Bana. Yeah, Bana so beautiful too, yeah. Thank you so much for you to support me. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, see you next video reaction to Kultis Musik. Assalamualaikum. Spasidikim.